Hi everyone, my name is Alice. Welcome to my channel and to my very first video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make one of my favorite drinks of all time, and that is iced coffee. And I'm going to show you how to make it right at home using a Keurig machine. First thing is to turn on the machine, and then I'm going to place a cup underneath, and then I'm going to put in a K-cup. And today I'm using an espresso roast. And then I'm going to use the espresso option on the machine. I think this machine brews about 6 ounces, and you can definitely use however much coffee that you want. When that is finished brewing, I'm going to let it sit for about 5 minutes so that it can cool down. And as you can see in the next clip, I'm going to use a spoon to stir it to help it cool down even faster. And then I'm going to be placing some ice cubes into a glass. I'm going to fill up the glass about 3/4 of the way. Alright, and then I'm going to pour the coffee into top of the ice. Alright, and now I'm going to give it a good stir. And the next step is to pour in the creamer. And today I'll be using the Coffee Mates almond milk creamer in the caramel flavor. So I'm going to pour that right in, and there's just something about creamer going to coffee that it just looks like magic. Alright, now I'm going to give it a good stir, and there you have it, a super simple, quick and easy recipe for iced coffee. Thank you so much for watching, and please let me know if there's any recipes that you would like for me to share, and I will see you in the next one.